Hey everybody, welcome back to Faraday Research. Well, I'm feeling a little bit better. Not perfect, but enough to make this quick little video on my water machine. Yeah, I got those piezo electric transducers, and I hooked it up to my system here, and I got them hooked up to the tank. So when they're not attached to the tank, they just make a little buzzing noise. But when you attach them to the tank, I got two of them. This one's 432 hertz, and this one on this side here is 528 hertz. So when I fire it up, they make a real buzzing noise and actually resonates the entire tank of my water machine. I'll just open it up here, and I'll show you inside. I got the vortex spinning. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it on, and then you can hear how loud it is. Hear that sound? So now it's actually resonating in harmonic sound, and it's actually echoing inside the tank. So now it's reprogramming the water. So you can see I got the vortex going there. If I got it set just right, I'll get a bit more of that tornado effect in there. There you go. So you kind of see how the vortex, I got the water going, it's hydrogenating the water, and I got the piezoelectric transducers. So this is complete now. So I can program whatever signal I desire. So you can see what I got. Channel 1, 528 hertz, and the one on the bottom there is 432 hertz at 12 volts at 50% duty cycle. So yeah. It's working pretty good, and you can hear the buzzing noise. That's the piezo crystal transducers. Yeah, so I thought I'd share that with you. I'm getting better. I don't feel 100% yet, but I'm getting there. So anyways, I just thought I'd throw that at you guys, give you something to watch, comments. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, do in the bottom right hand corner. I also got my Patreon there if you want to donate and help me fund these projects and get this information out. I'll be doing more stuff on the water machine, and since health is such a big issue for so many people, especially myself in the last 72 hours. But yeah, we'll see everybody soon.